Getting into cryptocurrency can feel exciting, but it can also be a little overwhelming. With so many platforms, wallets, and steps involved, a lot of beginners ask the same question. How do I actually buy, sell, and store crypto safely without getting scammed or making costly mistakes? If you've been wondering the same, this video is for you. Welcome to Pay Funds Academy, a dedicated playlist from our main channel, Pay Funds. Here, we guide you step by step through the world of crypto and trading, from the basics to advanced strategies, so you can build real knowledge and confidence in this fast-moving space. Now let's talk about how to buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrency the right way. To buy crypto, the first thing you need is access to a trusted crypto exchange. These are online platforms where you can purchase digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others using your local currency or through peer-to-peer transactions. Some exchanges require full identity verification, while others offer more flexibility depending on your region. Once your account is set up, you simply deposit funds, usually via bank transfer, card, or mobile wallet, and use them to buy your chosen cryptocurrency. Once you've bought crypto, you might be tempted to leave it on the exchange. But here's the catch. Leaving your crypto on an exchange wallet means you're not fully in control of your assets. If the exchange gets hacked or shuts down, you could lose access to your funds. That's why the next step is so important. Storing your crypto safely in a wallet you control. This brings us to crypto wallets, which come in two major types, hot and cold. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are easy to access for daily transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline and offer maximum security for long-term storage. Choosing the right wallet depends on your needs, but the rule is simple. Always store large amounts of crypto in a wallet where you control the private keys. One reliable solution many users turn to is wallets that provide a balance between security and convenience, like Pay Funds, which is built to help users manage their assets with greater confidence. It's important to use wallets that offer proper encryption, backup options, and full ownership of your keys. Now, when it comes to selling your crypto, the process is usually similar to buying. You transfer your crypto back to an exchange, place a sell order, and convert it to fiat or another digital asset. Just make sure the exchange you're using is trustworthy, has good liquidity, and follows proper compliance regulations. Some users also use peer-to-peer marketplaces for more privacy and flexibility, but these come with their own risks, so proceed carefully. The key to staying safe in crypto isn't just about choosing the right tools, it's also about good habits. Never share your private keys or recovery phrases. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending, and keep your devices protected with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Crypto gives you freedom, but with that freedom comes responsibility. If you take the right steps early on, you can protect your assets and participate in this revolutionary space with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pay Funds for more real, beginner-friendly crypto education. Pay Funds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.